Hey, what's up guys? We're hanging out here at the Alvord Desert. The Alvord Desert is located in southeast Oregon. It is kind of just above both the Nevada and California borders to Oregon, so pretty awesome area. It's a giant like dried out lake bed. Kind of looks like all the ground is cracked sand, almost looks like another planet. It's pretty trippy. So we drove out here last night. We only made it about like 5 hours in, and then we found a little rest stop about midnight and crashed there for the night, then got up at sunset and drove the rest of the way. So there's not a lot of people out here, but there are some people out here kind of roaring their cars around and doing some camping. So got out here, took the drone up, flew it around and got some shots. I'm gonna actually take it up again because there is zero wind out here. It's like actually perfect drone flying weather, which is pretty awesome. So Sienna and I are just hanging out here today. We're gonna camp here tonight, and then we're gonna head back tomorrow. So just a short trip. It does take about 6.5 hours to get down here from Portland, but definitely worth it if you've got a couple nights to just hang out in the desert. So. All right, so we just got done driving around the desert. We went out there and we drove kind of all the way, well, not all the way down, but we drove down a ways and then flipped around, and we were just having some fun. Kind of, Sian got out of the car and I was doing donuts around her, trying to get some video shots while she was trying to get some shots of me driving the car. Got a rad opportunity to fly the drone and actually chase Sienna. She roared through the desert and forest her. So far we're having a freaking awesome time out here. Again, it's great. There's not a ton of people out here, so you can actually get going pretty fast along this desert because the ground is like rock solid. It is like almost like concrete. It's crazy. But when you get going really fast, you just whip up a pretty gnarly dust storm behind you, which is pretty rad for photos. So so far we're having a blast. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and we're gonna explore a little bit more.